It says here, write down the first three terms of the binomial expansion 1 minus x all to the power of 12. Using a suitable substitution, find an approximate value for 0.99 to the power of 12. Hence, find the percentage error in using this approximate value instead of the true value. Okay, so if we expand this using the binomial theorem, so I'm assuming you know the binomial theorem, so 1 to the 12 plus 12c1, 1 to the 11 minus x, now put the minus x into brackets, plus 12c2, 1 to the 10 times minus x squared. Well, 1 to the 12, 1 to the 11, and 1 to the 10 are all equal to 1, so we won't have to worry too much about that. We stop there because we only want the first three terms. So that will be 1. 12c1 is 12, so, but this will be minus x, so this will become minus 12x. And then 12c2 is 66, but minus x squared is positive, so we've got plus 66x squared. Right, we want to find an expression for 0.99 to the power of 12. So if we put in here 0.01, we get 1 minus 0.01, which will give me 0.99 to the power of 12. So let x be equal to 0.01. As 1 minus 0.01 to the 12 is the same as 0.99 to the power of 12. So that now means in our expression here, everywhere there's an x, we now replace it with 0.01. So 0.99 to the power of 12 is approximately equal to, because we've only given the first three terms here, will be 1 minus 12 times 0.01 plus 66 times 0.01 squared. So get our calculator out and work that out. That will be approximately equal to 1 minus 0.12. In fact, we could probably do it even without a calculator, which is plus 0.0066, which will give you approximately equal to 0.866. Now we need to find the percentage area of this value with the true value. Okay, so percentage error is going to be equal to 0.8866 minus the true value, which is 0.99 to the power of 12. You just need to take the difference of these two, the positive difference. So we've got the absolute value function here. This is called the error, and you always express that over the original, the true value. So it'll be, the true value will be 0.99 to the power of 12, and then we multiply it by 100 to make it a percentage. And that will give you 0.0242. And as to three-syllable figures, that will give you a percentage error of 0.0243%. Okay, so this you'd work out on your calculator. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to expand a binomial expansion and then use it to find an approximate value. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.